Hey everyone, how are you all doing? This is Hilton's Computer Repair, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can install Avast free antivirus protection. This is basically going to be a very simple, quick tutorial, just how to download, install, and probably configure if there's any additional plugins or anything that comes with it. But let's go ahead and get started. So first thing you do is go ahead and open up a browser that you want to choose. I'm going to go ahead and open up Firefox. Once you get to whatever browser you have, just go ahead and go to google.com and go ahead and search for Avast free antivirus. And you see there'll be a list right here with some little add-ons, stuff like that, but what we're going to look for is right here, coming from avast.com, download free antivirus protection, Avast 2018. So let's go ahead and select it. Once you get there, it's showing you what it is. It's Avast free antivirus, lighter, more powerful, and absolutely free. So let's go ahead and select the download. And it seems it's transferring over right here to CNET right here for downloads. It's fine. Should prompt up like this. If not, then you might have to just press the restart button for it. But let's go ahead and save that file. Once that's file been downloaded, go ahead and run that file. And you might be prompted for this to come up. Go ahead and press yes. And while that's loading, I can probably still kind of minimize the browser. I don't think I'm not going to need that anymore. And let's give it some little time while Avast gets ready for installation. And here it comes up. Now right here, here's the installation of Avast free antivirus protection. As you notice on the left side bottom, it's telling if you want to go ahead and try Google Chrome browser, but it seems I already have that, so it's kind of like a worthless point for me having that checked. And let's go ahead. You have the options to continue going to install, but I'm going to go ahead and choose customize to see if there's anything else. And currently it's going to be installed in program files, and they have some regular security settings that basically should be needed for this to work. Some privacy and also performance. Everything else pretty much looks good. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is and go ahead and press install. And right now it's basically installing the software. Let's go ahead and give it some time for that to do its work. And here's Avast. It's almost done finishing up right here. And let's see what's going to pop up or not right now. Something's loading. Let's give it a little time. Seems it's already here, so let me go ahead and just open up the file. And here we have it. It seems that we have Avast antivirus protection installed. It has the latest features, has the protections right here for status, protections. There's a list right here. Has our privacy features right here, performance, and basically stuff is almost done. The only thing that's left is just to activate. Once you install this application, you usually have to install which one you're going to choose. I'm going to choose the free one, but it's probably going to ask you an email. Let's go ahead and give it a try. See, if you want to buy the full year, you can purchase that. I'm just going to choose the free one, like what this tutorial was supposed to be, and let's select. And it tells you try the premium protection. I'm going to go ahead and press no thanks. And I think we are actually pretty much good right now. Let's see if it loads up. It seems that we're protected and everything. Yep, that's basically it. We're already currently having that protection right here. And that should be all that we need. And that's basically how you install Avast free antivirus protection. That's simple. Thank you for watching from Hilton's Computer Repair. Don't forget to subscribe us on Facebook and check out our other social networks that we have. Thanks for watching.